Hi guys, so today's video, as you can see, my wallpaper is currently. So let's go to a virtual world because I'm gonna make a story today. Okay, here it is. I have a new house, okay guys? Let's go. So guys, I'm gonna give you a tour in my house. So let's go. Do that right now. So this is my mom's bedroom. And that's her right there. Like, I'm using her character right now. This is her. And this is the closet with my dad. This is the bedroom. It's so nice. And I'm gonna go downstairs. Artea! Here I am downstairs, guys. As you can see, that white. That's just a nice coat. Let me just change the wallpaper. There you go. So this is like the piano. I know how to use a piano, guys, in real life. So yeah, I know how to use a piano in real life. This is the living room. This is the dining room. There's two chairs, but we will get a high chair for Nicole. Like I know, like said in the pizzeria, like, oh, we need a wheel and then blah blah. So this is the kitchen. Like guys. And this is the kitchen. I love it so much. We don't have food. We're gonna have a grocery. Okay guys?
Siksik siya sa akin eh. Nakatalikod yung puwet niya, inuusog niya na inuusog, tapos niyakap po, doon lang ulit natulog.
And
Di kami kakagabi
and
na
you
eh.
see my bedroom already. With Nicole. So today's just a normal day. So yeah.
Sarap kahit maasim.
Hindi ka kagabi. Tol. Pang-uang puta.
Nakita mo ba rin yung motor natin? Sa kanila.
Hindi naman.
Baka naman eh.
Yan.
I guess Shane or Sam.
Puta kayo.
And this is where my bedroom.
Ay, galing
This is
Papa.
Nicole's bedroom. I'm gonna go. And this is my bedroom. See?
Kasi password.
Ano siya? Para kasi walang fourth floor. I don't know if they will have a fourth floor in the next update.
Kaso nahirapan siya pinutin yung
May password.
Pinalalagyan niya nga kasi yung sa akin meron.
Hey, are you okay? So, yeah.
Pag kangingiti ko, kundi mga
Come on, let it out. Okay, there you are. Last. So guys, it's nighttime already. As you can see, I'm wearing my lights on there. It's already night. And this story is very good. Okay, you can finish another story. Yay! But change already. Okay. I'm gonna put this here.
Nagganon ka? Pwede niya kasi face unlock yan. Ganun lang siya, oh. Eh, paano kasi piniface unlock ko? Sabi ko, picture kita, oh. Pag ano ka yan, tingin ka. Ang ginawa niya. Tuloy, pagka sila kasi hindi malak. Hindi matanggal yung unlock, oh.
Focus.
Ay, magaling na.
Tomorrow, I will buy some clothes. Not clothes, shoes, because I don't have shoes and it's very annoying. First, I'm gonna write in my diary, of course.
Dumedi ka na, diba? Hindi ka na ng gamot. Ay, busis ka na. Oo.
Tanggalin? Sino mo
Apa.
Sino mo Sino mo
There we go. Put that there. Tomorrow, I will go to school too. So, I'm just gonna ready my...
Nagbibilis ka kayo mo tayo?
Ay, look na tayo.
Ready na. Magre-ready na ako ng mga clothes. So, let's go. Let me see.
Hey, Tataya.
Pa. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, no.
Oh, yun na, ayun na. Bilisan mo.
Ah! Ano yan? Oh,
Apa, lasa.
mo?
Oo, nandiyan sa man.
Saan?
Aray! Walang tubig.
Tay, ayun na, yung tumbler mo.
Walang naman na.
Kasi kung ano, andyan. Hala. Ay, natapon so. O, dali na. O, dali. Dahan ka sa pagbangon kasi. Laka-laka ng paa mo eh. O, inom ka tubig. Sura. Saya. Abot mo yung tumbler libod sa... Sabi niya. Hindi na ikaw namasat yung anak mo.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Okay, so I guess these pants will be good. Mm-hmm. And let's add some. It's very cold because yesterday it's snowy and the snow like just begun. So I'm just gonna wear some this and my jacket. There we go. Put this here. Okay, now I should read some books. So I will fall asleep. Let me see, where's some other books? There's no more books. So I guess I'll just read the story that I like. Let's go. Dad, can we buy another bed tomorrow for me? Why do you don't like your own little bed? Yeah. Okay. Okay, now Nicole, it's time for you to dress up. Okay. Here's Anna. Because you'll be... Sorry guys, I have a cough. Why is the light? I didn't change the color. Are you serious? There we go. Okay, because tomorrow you'll start a daycare, so yeah. And you want to like on your thing? Yeah. Okay, so I really want this, but it's cold. So I'm just gonna pick the green one because you have a jacket and yeah. I'll put this there. Okay, sleep. But I want to, have a shoot. That's okay. A story that is in your mind. Okay, I can read your story. Once upon a time. Okay, that was a long book, but that's okay. Okay, I think I'm ready to go to bed. Oh, that's a cute teddy. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, she's already asleep. I think I'll buy some bags and some notebooks in the daycare. It's very dark. The lights. Let's go outside. Let's go. I'm just gonna run there. Oh, there's still some people here. Oh, geez. Oh, there's a girl that who wants to be adopted. There's one there. Here's something. But it doesn't really suit me well. So I think I'll go to it. But first, I need a book. Guys, don't mind the loading, okay? Hi, is there any books here? I think there's one in there, in the shop. Thank you. Oh, this sticker have everything. Some bandage. Just put that there. I think some toys too. Push. Okay, I think you want to sleep. Let's go to the bedroom.
Ibalik mo. Ibalik mo sa ilalim yan. Ibalik mo sa ilalim. Ito ganyan, vlog. Ito kasi luti ka lang marunong eh. Oh, ayan o.
So let's do the rainbow, guys. How to get the rainbow toy first? Just this code, and you open this, and there's a 6 there, and you'll find the orange one here. Go right here, and there's the yellow. So you'll get a bunch of coins. So if you want to do the decoration, do it.
Yan yung pinagkainan mo. Ay, itapo mo naman.
And then let's add some blocks. So you need to assemble it. Oh no, what did I done? Ugh, I hate when that happens. Let's do that again. 5. Oh. 7, 8, 9, and 10. I see that that's a good job. Let's go, yes. Let's go to Dino, and you'll get the beautiful bag in here. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Let's go back to the house, guys. Perfect. Let's go to 3rd floor. There we go. Okay, here's some trash bag, some books, some toys. Let's put that in the toy box. And let's put this here. Okay, I'll go to bed. Good night. But I'm scared of monsters. You're not asleep yet? No. Oh, come here. I'll lock you to sleep. You're sleep today. Let's go to my bedroom. To our bedroom. Dun, dun, dun. Um. Okay guys, subscribe for part 2.